really think they should make a recall on this because several people are having this issue too.
I'm in the trap every day. What? Stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now. I told her to lay my hook in the water. She liking my babe. Ain't saving a hoe. I don't wear a cave. You beef with me, don't think you ever safe. I hop in the foreign and drive like a race. We sipping the Henny, I don't need a chase. We dodging the feds and catching no case. I stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now. I told her to lay.
Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, man. We're going up. Alright you guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TJ. I'm back again with a brand new video for you guys, man. So I'm headed to get me some food. Once I get my food, pick it up, we're gonna go over me owning this car for a year and 4 or 5 months. We're gonna talk about the things I'm gonna change on this car, the plans I have for this car. So also, something else is wrong with this car, man. It should be up under warranty. I really think they should make a recall on this because several people are having this issue too. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I picked up my chatters right here, my food in this bag. Let's get right into everything I've done to this car. All right, so as you guys know, I got a little camo action going on right here. I had the tire stickers on. I got 5-inch tips right here. I also got the diffuser going on right here. Very nice. The exhaust tips fit in perfect, no gap. This was already on the car. It's by ZL1 Add-ons, a Wicked Build, that's what it's called. I also ordered this spoiler right here off of Amazon. I think it's Spoiler Kings, that's what it's called. I think that's what it's called, Spoiler Kings. So I got the tint, I got 5% all the way around, and then I added a 20 over the 5 in the back. I got 5 right here. Also, this is a 2018. I ordered a new grill for the top and bottom. This, I got it painted, color matched. Let me see what else is going on. Everything is in good condition. It's still good. Normal wear and tear, that's what you would call it. I added on some lights. Let me show you guys right quick. Turn it on. I added these side markers right here. They shine very bright at night. What else I did? Oh, let me pop the hood. I also added Daytona 392 on both sides, driver and passenger side. And then in the rear, it says 392. Oh, it's gonna be hot getting up under this thing. Oh. So I added this JLT oil catch can on there. If you have a Hemi, I recommend it. I got it from Summit. Ooh, all that heat coming out. I'm gonna just leave it open. Let it breathe some. Let's go over the inside. So I did order the interior trimming. Excuse me. It says Daytona 392 right here, black and gold, so it can match the seats. I also have a sticker over here that says Daytona 392. It's just an overlay, that's all it pretty much is. And then I ordered these trimmings off of Amazon right here. You cut it out, and it goes all the way around here on the dash. And I also got these floor mats right here, diamond stitch floor mats by, well, I don't even know who it's by. I got it from Life of Corey, my homeboy Corey. Y'all might know him as Life of Corey. But yeah, shout out to him. So I got it on the front, and I also got it in the back. And I also got some interior lighting on here too for you guys. Hold on, I gotta turn the switch on. Look at that. It's not dark. Let me close the door. Yes, sir. They change colors. They don't stay purple. You got a whole bunch of modes on here. it changes very slowly. That's the way I have the setting. And I also got it in the back. Excuse the mess in this car. My radar, it actually works. It's called a Max 360. It's very nice. You got the up, it shows the arrows on which direction the detection is sensing it or whatever. What else? All right, so I might have forgot something else I did to this car. We're gonna go back right to it if I do think about it. All right, so what's wrong with this car? Y'all might know some Mopars, they have a defect in the screen. I think it's caused by heat. I'm not even sure. People on Instagram say it's probably from the heat, but I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys on camera. Let's see. Put on the page. See this line right? Oh, hold on. Hope it focused. There's a line. See, it's a line right here, and there's also some bubbles over here. Let's see if I can change the screen. Okay, now y'all can kind of see it. Yes, there it is. Look at that. That makes no sense whatsoever. Get it to focus. Mopar really need to step that up, for real. The game, this makes no sense. And if you don't have warranty, they say I think it costs about like $900. I have warranty. I actually passed my warranty mileage or whatever, but they said I passed it by a little. So they said I can try to get it. I can try to get it warranted for free, basically. So I'm about to get it fixed whenever I get the part in. And if you do have the extended warranty, if you pass the mileage, you'll just pay a $100 deductible or whatever. So Dodge, I hope y'all fix this. This don't make no sense. And I know another thing on these Chargers. I don't know about the Challengers, but these Chargers, some of y'all might notice, y'all panel right here, it flips up. It's like it's not connected. That's what I meant. It's not connected to the door no longer. I don't know what's that from. Is it from the heat or what? But it happens on this side and also on this side right here. And I'm gonna put the video in my description. Actually, this door right here, it happened to me. That's how I noticed. And then I see it on other people's cars. I'm like, what is going on? But they had to replace this whole door panel right here. This whole door panel. There's a whole brand new door panel. They had to order mine. It took a couple of days because this is a Daytona, as y'all know. They had to special order these because they don't keep these in stock. Well, at least the Daytona ones, from what I heard. So, yeah. Hopefully this side right here don't do it. It looks like it want to do it, but it did not do it yet. I mean, right here going up a little. I feel like it's gonna do it. But you know, if it do, I'm gonna take it right back to Dodge. I'm gonna have them to fix this side right here. And I'm not sure about the rear doors. I'm not sure if they do that flapping too. I don't know. But only time will tell. The back are perfect. So, Dodge, I hope y'all get this stuff together. Y'all need to fix this right here for the people that haven't got theirs done. It need to be a recall. This also needs to be a recall. It doesn't make no sense. Matter of fact, I took my car to a Dodge dealership and they was talking about, yeah, we heard about them things. They had like 8 other cars in the shop. So I was like behind them other 8 cars. So I'm like, wow, these cars are here for the same reason. It's not just Charger too. It's a Jeep, a Chrysler, stuff like that. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna get y'all a couple of revs on this car right here. I have a mid-muffler to delete. And that's it, 5-inch tips. It makes a difference, kinda, you know. Alright y'all, so yeah, I'm pretty much done with this video. Oh, I also got taillight tint. I forgot to mention that. Taillight tint right here to there. And when you order these side markers right here, they also come tinted too. Well, it's the film that's it's the film that make it look tinted or whatever. So let me close this hood right here. Ooh, I need to change this filter out. That looks disgusting. See that fan kicking in? It's that heat, man. Let's see what temperature it is out here. Let's see, man, it's 104, man. That's crazy. But if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We're going up all 2020. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Like I always say, y'all stay blessed, and I'm out. Peace.